In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export videos in v.io. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just getting started, exporting your video in the right format is crucial. Let's dive into the process and make sure you're all set by the end of this tutorial. Begin by logging into your v.io account. If you haven't already, head over to the v.io platform using your preferred web browser. Once you've signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects are conveniently laid out for you. From here, locate and open the video project you've been working on. This will take you right to the editing interface. Before we proceed with exporting, make sure you've completed all the necessary edits. Whether it's trimming clips, adding captions, or inserting effects, ensure that your video is just the way you want it. Take a moment to review everything and make final adjustments if necessary. Once you're satisfied with your edits, you're ready to move on. Look towards the top right corner of your screen, and you should see a button labeled Done. Clicking this will close the editing session and bring up the Export Options window. When the Export Options window appears, you'll see a selection labeled Export Video. Click this option to kick off the export process. What happens next is a rendering phase where your video is being processed behind the scenes. During this period, a progress screen will keep you informed about how far along the rendering has progressed. It's normal for this step to take some time, especially if your video is quite lengthy or contains complex elements. With the rendering complete, you're almost home. On the screen before you, there's a download icon. This will be typically located to the right of the interface. Click on this icon to view the available download formats. While MP4 is a popular choice due to its compatibility with most devices and platforms, don't hesitate to select a different format that might suit your specific needs better. Congratulations, you've now successfully exported your video. It's safely downloaded to your computer, ready to be shared or uploaded wherever you choose. Remember, the key to a smooth export session is patience, especially during the rendering phase, and that's all there is to it. If you adhere to these steps, exporting your work from v.io should be a straightforward process every time. With this newly acquired knowledge, you're all set to share your creations with the world. Thanks for tuning into this guide, and happy exporting.